Hey folks, it's JT. Probably wondering why I'm wearing a hat indoors, huh? Didn't comb my hair. See, aside from this little gadget that I got today, it's in my last video, you can look it up. I got a little something else to put into my little small game slash travel pouch. And there's videos on that. You can go back and look that travel pouch up, the small game travel pouch. But anyway, I got something else to go inside of it. Got a little belt loop right here. It's not very good. The case isn't really that great. But what it is a little shovel. You know, so if you're traveling and you need to use the woods to go to the bathroom and you need to dig a cat hole, the shovel is right next to the roll of toilet paper inside my travel kit. Now you can also use this thing for other purposes too. A little shovel like that could come in handy for who knows what, you know, but it doesn't really weigh that much. It's pretty sturdy. Doesn't take up a lot of room. So my wife's car, we have a little travel kit in there for the bathroom, and you know, we have toilet paper and Purell and rubber gloves, stuff like that, in case we have to ditch in the woods because we can't find no place to go to the bathroom. So these were two for about 12 bucks on Amazon. So I got two of them. I threw one in my bag, and I'll throw one in my wife's little travel kit in the car, and we'll be good to go. Well folks, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you all. I don't have a lot of other stuff to show you or do right now, but hopefully soon. Take care. God bless you all.